Praise God. My name is Elizabeth Thomas. I am from Kerala, but I am in Chennai now pursuing my higher studies in CA. So I have been asked, who is Jesus for me? To be honest, if I start speaking about that, I won't stop today. But in a short summary way, I can say that Jesus for me is like a big brother. How our big brothers are, our elder brothers, they are so protective, so caring towards their younger sisters. Like whatever they ask, they will provide. They're always there to protect us. Nobody should harm us. That kind of protective feeling that we get from our elder brothers is that kind of bond which I share with my Lord. So I was born in a family where my parents also had enough faith. We used to go to church every day. We had prayer at home. I had the same belief which my parents had, not something out of my own, but what my parents were following, I was copying the same thing. But there was a point in my life when I was 16 years old and I was into sin and I was into wrong things, and I felt that I don't need Jesus because things were going pretty well. So at that point I had a feeling that even without Jesus our things are going well, so I don't need to pray extra. But still I was going for mass and all. But after almost 1 year gap, I realized what I was doing was wrong and I was into sin and those things were wrong. They were harming me, my soul. But then I thought it is 1 year. It was so late. I thought my game is over, dead. The Lord will not take care of me now. How it's for human. Imagine having a fight with your friend for a year, and after a year you don't expect your friend to be normal to you. And I did not expect the Lord to be the same with me. But to my surprise, he was saved, and he was beyond that. I think I was getting so many blessings after that, before that, and after that I felt he is showering me with extra love and extra grace which I don't deserve. That time I realized what is actually unconditional love. We don't experience unconditional love with human beings except our parents. But what the Lord has for us, for me, is something actually about I understood is called unconditional love. So there were so many blessings in my life, and all the ups and downs in my life is actually, I can actually feel the presence of God, and in everything the Lord was teaching me something. If I was going through a bad time, the Lord was teaching me how to be strong. If I was getting some blessing, the Lord was teaching me how to be thankful for that. There was times when I was alone and I felt that there's nobody, but every point in my life, by God's grace, God has provided me at least one person to be by my side. And I am actually grateful for Him for everything, from my 10th or 12th exams, from my college, because I applied to so many colleges, and at last I got my MCC. And it was this is one of the best things that happened to me. From my sister's marriage, it was during the COVID times, from me passing my CA foundation exam. There were so many struggles, but everywhere I could feel the Lord holding my hand, and He's taking there. He's staying there. He's protecting me. I may feel that, how will I do things and all, but He is taking care of things. And I actually am really thankful to the Lord for being there for me every time, and especially after coming to Jesus Youth. In every small things, there are Chechimar and Chetamar who are keeping a check on me, that I am like their younger sibling for them. So they are always checking whether Elizabeth's okay, she needs anything, she's okay, she's praying well. So Jesus was also a very big help for me to have a good prayer life. And I'm really grateful. I actually don't believe, and I actually don't think that I deserve so much graces and blessings which the Lord has given me. And I would conclude with my favorite verse. It is Isaiah 48:17. I am the Lord your God, who wants to teach you for your own good and guide you in the way that I want. Praise be to God.